Sugod ko roll. Narinig mo. Kapilaan ninyo.
A little bit closer, Gillian. There. And then
Stay
a little
atas
bit
pa dito,
at his
atas pa
back.
dito.
No, we're not supposed
Kana.
to show his skin.
Di, hapak ba? Hapak. Slap. Ana.
Wait.
Mana
His
ako.
best
Oh.
here. And then, no, you're not gonna move. Just stay in one place.
Di, ana ba? Ubalhin ko dito. Sagpaa siya.
No, that's gonna be so libog or as in.
Gina. Sagpaa lang. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's okay. You're not.
Sagpaa. Sorry, sagpaa.
Just look at me.
Balik ka. Good to. Nice.
Jano. Here. Gillian, stay here for a while. Face Chantal and not blocking her. And then this part lang, only the side of his face. Look.
Dili, maklaro,
This one.
day.
This one. There. Just that
Chapay.
one. And then Chantal's gonna wala kang pake. And then slap him. Slow mo. Come on.
Di mo
slap
na,
him.
ba siya?